My research project is about assessing the impact of urban planning decisions in the evolution in time of seismic risk. In my thesis, I am using a combination of qualitative and quantitative research methods. So while I'm working with traditional engineering methods such as seismic risk assessment or statistical analysis, I am also using semi-structured interviews for qualitative research.
One of the modules that I selected was integrating science into risk and disaster reduction, and I really liked it because it gives you a really holistic approach about the field. It helps you develop a better sense of what you can do being an engineer in practice. It's not only about design, you can still have some leadership positions.
I think that I've learned a lot because I wasn't a researcher before coming here to UCL. I was working as a structural engineer. And I think that studying a new field of engineering, which is quite challenging and novel and very interesting, has been the most exciting experience of all.
It gives you more tools for management and see a bigger scope of what you are doing. I think it helps me developing skills to be able to maybe manage an emergency situation or take another roles that are not typical engineering.
I've loved UCL since I arrived. It's centred in London, which feels like you're at the centre of the world. Everything is busy. The staff at UCL are excellent, and in terms of going to the staff to ask for help and being introduced to people outside of UCL that could help me with my work, it's been really fantastic.
It's a really interesting city with a lot of diversity, cultural, ethnical, and it's really interesting to live in and discover.
My plan after finishing my PhD is to move to the industry. I really believe that many of the skills I have been learning during my PhD will be very helpful for my professional life. I think I have a lot of training that maybe will be useful for a company in the future.
I would say UCL is an international university and very, very driven by research, and has provided all those relevant skills and opportunities for me to develop as a researcher.